How to add date of birth in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to add date of birth in Blockman Go. Adding date of birth in Blockman Go is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the game on your device. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture or avatar in the top left corner of the main screen. Access setting. Look for the setting gear icon option in your profile menu and tap on it. Edit profile. In the setting or profile section, find the option to edit your profile. This may include your username, avatar and personal information. Add or change date of birth. Look for the date of birth field. Tap on it to enter or change a date of birth. Save changes. After entering a date of birth, make sure to save or confirm the changes. Confirm changes. Depending on the game's policy, you may need to verify your age or confirm the changes through the prompt. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add date of birth in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.